Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on some awesome skincare that I received from VERSED. I have quite a few things here to show you guys. Thank you so much for VERSED for sending me your amazing skincare products. In this video you will see the step-by-step on how I use each and one of these products and also talk a little bit more about them. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys would like to see my nighttime routine using VERSED, please keep on watching. Alrighty, so I have a full face of makeup and I just filmed the tutorial of this one before this video. So if you guys want to see the video review, this is Toi Beauty products that I have on today. And now in this video I need to take it off so I can go to sleep. To help me cleanse my skin and also moisturize, I have this box right here. This is from VERSED. This is the skincare company that sent me some of their goodies to try, and I'm really excited to show you guys what they sent me. So before I dive in and start removing this makeup, let me show you guys what I have in this lovely box. I always wanted a headband like this one, and it kind of has like a towel feel like, so it's just a black headband that looks like that, and I just find it super cute because I always needed one like that when I'm kind of like doing my makeup or also just doing my skincare to pull everything away, and I just find it really cute. It doesn't really help with the black backgrounds plus my black hair plus my black top. You guys can't see it, but it is the cutest little thing ever, and I just really love it, and it's so comfortable on my head too. Next, they also sent me the Wash It Gel Cleanser. I'm almost done with my cleanser, so it landed on the perfect moment for me to try a new cleanser. So this is the Wash It Gel Cleanser, and this has rose water plus seaweed extract. Interesting. I'm really excited to use this one. So this is going to help me really cleanse my face and also really clean it from all the makeup, so can't wait to try it out. I also have the 0G Smoothing Eye Cream, and this has algae extract and peptide, which is really cool. Look at the packaging of this. First of all, it looks like a cute little milk carton, and I can't wait to see how it looks like on the inside, so we will discover that together. This is 15 ml. Oh, and it also it's here on the size it says made for aging skin. So if you are somebody who is preventing aging skin, wrinkles and all of that, then this is a perfect eye cream for you. So I can't wait to try it with you guys. Next, I have the Just Breathe Clarifying Serum. In this one right here, it has Willow Dark Extract plus Zinc Blend. These are really interesting ingredients. I've never tried ingredients like this before, so I'm super duper excited. Just forgot to mention, if you are into the cruelty-free kind of brands, this is great because they don't test on animals. I don't like a brand that tests on my furry baby friends, you know, like, don't do it. They're just too cute to be tested on, and they shouldn't be tested on anyways. So this brand here, they don't test on animals, which is always a plus for me. So what does the serum do? This one says, use me if your skin is stressing you out and just want to chill, which is basically my skin right now. I've been breaking out so much. I also have a huge one under my eye here that I can barely touch because it really hurts. So I'm quite excited to use this serum because my skin has been stressing me out a lot lately. Next one here, this is the Moisturizing Gel Cream, and this one has green tea extract plus aloe leaf juice. Interesting. And they call it the Dew Point, DEW Point. so I always wanted to have a gel moisturizer, so I'm really excited to use it. I normally just use like cream moisturizers, but using a gel one, I'm really excited to see how it feels on my skin. Also got the 15.2 zinc oxide sunscreen. This one is called Guards Up Daily Mineral Sunscreen. This one has sea fennel plus moringa seed extract. What is moringa seed extract? I'm gonna Google it.
A few moments later.
It's a plant and it has seeds in it. So they use their seed inside here. This is what moringa seed looks like. It looks like little peas. This is great because I am planning on going on vacation next month for my birthday, and it's gonna be somewhere hot and sunny. So this sunscreen will be very useful. Maybe I can use this for tomorrow, so I'll show you a future clip of me wearing this. But for now, let's go ahead and put the hair away. And I always like to remove my makeup with the wipe first, and then I use the cleanser. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'm gonna use this lovely headband to put my hair away. So the wipes that I use, these are just the Kirkland wipes. These are from Costco, and I really like these. It comes in the big box with a lot of packs inside. You save so much more money, and I just love them. They're smooth on my face, so I just use these to really take off everything, make sure that all the makeup is off, and then I go in with a cleanser for a double cleanse. Okay, removing the lashes and also removing the little gems. Look at this pimple right here. It hurts so much to touch. Oh my god. So this is the wipe. I just remove everything with the wipe. You guys always see me putting on makeup, and it's weird for me to kind of do the opposite right now. Alright, so all the makeup is off with the wipe right now. As you guys could see, my hair is definitely stressing me out a lot. Breaking out here, breaking out right here. I've been also having a lot of blackheads lately. It's been fun taking it off, but then I give my skin a lot of stress. So it's kind of like a back-to-back stress here. My skin gives me stress, I give it stress. You know, it's a love-hate relationship. Let's head on to the washroom and use the gel. All right, welcome to my bathroom. I just wore something a little bit more comfortable that I'm just gonna go and sleep in later. So this is the cleansing gel, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. I normally go like this much. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, mush it around, and it does have this kind of like a foamy look to it, which is really great. My hand is stained with makeup. It smells really good. It kind of has a, I don't know, like a fresh mint kind of smell. I kind of like that. It smells very clean. And I'm just gonna rinse with cold water. I always take my towel and I always dab my skin. I never rub it in. And I also like the feeling of a little bit of water on my face, like feeling my face a bit more damp. Not soaking wet, just damp. I like that. That is all for the cleansing process. Let's go back to the room and test out the other products. Okay, my skin is tucking and it really needs some moisture because it's really dry, especially this season. It's like the driest season right now for me. So let's go ahead and use the serum. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. So this is the serum. Absolutely love the packaging, and it comes in a little droplet like that. The droplets on my hand are like so, and work it around and apply that on my face in a tapping motion, just because I want to be gentle on my skin, especially now with all the stress that it's causing me. This feels really good. Like, it's super soothing. Also has kind of like a tacky texture to it, as you guys could see. Like, I like this texture in a serum. I feel like it it absorbed into my skin. My skin just really drank it all up. After that serum is absorbed into the skin, just give it a few seconds so it can really dry up. I still feel the little bit of a tackiness, but it's not as much as before. So I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple more seconds and then come back with the moisturizing gel. Okay, time for the moisturizing gel. Everything came closed, by the way. I just took everything out just to save some time, but everything came nicely sealed and closed. Ooh, look at the gel. It does look like a gel feel like. It's kind of like a milky finish that it has. It's not like a super opaque cream color. So I'm just gonna pat it into my fingers here and apply it all over my face and then slowly work it in. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It just smells very light, more like a skincare kind of smell, which I really like. But this feels like a glass of water on my skin right now. It feels amazing. I also bring it down the neck, whatever I have left, and oh my god, look at my skin. Like I feel my skin feels good. My skin feels really good. It might not show on camera, but my skin feels really good. Now all of that is nicely absorbed into my skin. My skin feels really good. Next step, it is the 0G. This is the smoothing eye cream, and this is how the packaging looks like. I have to say I really like the color scheme that they have. That little minty blue color is so up my alley. Now this is the cream. It comes nicely sealed with this little cap, and I just need to remove this. Ooh, interesting. Look at the texture of that. This is really cool. This smells like a fresh skincare. A bit on like a creamy smell, but it smells really good. And I love the little pink hue that it has. Look at that. I'm just gonna grab my ring finger. I always like to use my ring finger when it comes to the under eye. I just pat it in very gently and in a slow motion, and I keep patting it in like that. And this also has kind of like a tackiness feel to it. Taking my ring finger again, doing the same thing on the other eye. And I also like to put a little bit on the lid area and also tap it in a light and gentle finger motion. Obviously you guys won't see a huge difference right now. I feel skincare in general, you need to kind of apply it every day and more than once as well. So if you run out and you really like it, go ahead and get it again. And like that's how you will see a difference with skincare. But I feel skincare is so important. I always have a morning and night routine. For me, it's kind of like a routine that I adapted into my life. I started doing my skincare when I was 15 years old, and I'm 31 years old right now, and I keep doing it every day and every night, and it's so important. I'm also putting on a lip mask. This is not from VERSED. This is La Neige, which is one of my favorite lip masks ever. And since my skin is breaking out, I like to use these miracle patches. This is from a beauty called Real Beauty, and I get these from Amazon. I will link the link of them down below. I've tried so many of these patches and I feel like none of them worked. This one here works very well, and they come in different sizes. So you have the 10mm size, which is 10mm, and you also have the 12mm, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna put it on this big boy right here, and he's growing every day. He's getting bigger and bigger. I'm like really concerned right now because it does not look like a pimple at this point. It looks like something else. And I'm just gonna put this patch on him like this. And I also have a couple here that I'm going to zap away as well. This really worked because the next morning some of them, they tend to get white. That's when you know that they got zapped off your face onto the patch. Alrighty you guys, this is my nighttime routine with VERSED. Thank you so much VERSED for sending me your amazing skincare. I can't wait to explore with them a little bit more. I can't wait to try them a little bit more. Also, Versed was super nice enough to provide you guys with a discount code, so please use my code LBBYND10 for 10% off your purchase to try out this amazing skincare. Honestly, my face feels really good. I'm just really happy with how my skin is feeling right now. Also, for the sunscreen, I know I didn't use it on here. I will put a clip of future me using it so you can just see how it feels and how it looks. Good morning. So it is the morning and I'm going to be doing my skincare in the morning. I don't normally cleanse in the morning, but I did wash my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use the cream and a little bit of eye cream as well. Cream. Oh my god, this feels good. I didn't remove these patches because these are kind of patches that you can actually apply products on top that you can keep. It looks like it's a bit calmer today. So here you can see a little bit of the white. You can see a little bit of that white that came out. And the eye cream. Time for some sunscreen. If you guys are wondering, this is good for all skin types, and this is how the packaging looks like. It kind of has a nudish color to it. Doesn't smell. There's some sunscreens that they smell like sunscreen, but this one does not smell. Oh, I like it. It kind of has like a nudish color to it. I could say that the sunscreen has more of a thicker feel to it when it's kind of like rubbed in, which I kind of like because it feels like a rich moisturizer. Gives like a really nice light glow going on. It doesn't help with this guy showing on camera right now, but I'm just gonna deal with it. It's my skin and it's breaking out, so there isn't much I can do. Using my lip mask from Laneige. So that is my skincare. It's kind of like what I do when I'm not using Versed as well, so I'm really happy that they kind of send me stuff that I kind of use on a daily basis too, like cream, eye cream, and sunscreen, but Versed products. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, or also makeup tutorials, because I do that as well. On that note, I need some beauty sleep. I love you guys so much. Good night.